Audio-Technica has released a major upgrade to its next-generation remote access technology, the RDX, introducing multi-head connectivity, user-defined automatic frame rate control, and an updated user interface. A new SDK creates expanded opportunities for developers to integrate ARDX into their own platforms, applications, and workflows. Additional system configuration and network management enhancements simplify deployment and improve control of multiple video sources from a single workspace. The ARDX update introduces multi-head capability, designed for users who need to access multiple video sources from a single workspace. Leveraging HDMI and DisplayPort connectivity via the ARDX-enabled ADR-Link portal R110U dongles, operators gain greater flexibility to connect to the sources they need across the network.
JZ Microphones, based in Riga, Latvia, has introduced MU1, the company's latest 2-in-1 microphone featuring both a ribbon element and a large diaphragm condenser capsule housed side by side within the same body. Designed by Grammy Award-winning producer and engineer Mark Urselli, the MU1 allows users to pair a ribbon and a condenser on the same source with identical phase alignment, level matching, and positioning. A single 5-pin XLR carries both signals, splitting the signal via the included breakout Y cable into 2 standard 3-pin XLRs. Users can record either capsule alone or both on separate channels, allowing for the results to blend it as required. The condenser section is built around the JZ Golden Drop cardioid capsule from JZ's Black Hole series, while the ribbon uses a premium 1.2-micron foil motor with custom transformer, chosen for higher sensitivity and finer detail. Capable of delivering 48-volt phantom power to both elements, the unit is housed in a solid all-metal body.
Msolutions has unveiled the MS-DPA-HCP, a single-cable USB-C extension solution that adds a switchable HDMI input for expanded source flexibility in meeting rooms, classrooms, auditoriums, and collaborative spaces. The device represents the latest evolution of the company's MS-DP Alt series, introducing automatic switching between permanent and room HDMI sources and guest USB-C laptop connections. Like previous MS-DPA series devices, the MS-DPA-HCP delivers plug-and-play extension of 4K at 60 Hz 444 video and USB data without drivers or software applications. The system also supports up to 60 Watt of laptop charging from the host unit, while maintaining the compact industrial design introduced with the second-generation MS-DPA-CP.
Audio-Technica has launched the ATSP30 Network Ceiling Speaker Series, engineered to deliver high-quality, intelligible audio with streamlined installation for modern meeting and collaboration spaces. Available in 2 models, the ATSP30LP and ATSP30DP, the new speakers differ in networking protocol support, offering Audio-Technica Link and Dante compatibility respectively. The speakers integrate seamlessly into networked AV systems, supporting efficient deployment across small to medium-sized rooms. Sold in pairs, one active, one passive, the ATSP30 speakers mount flush into drop or hard ceilings, offering a low-profile footprint while delivering wide 140 degrees coverage and rich, full-range sound. The ATSP30 series integrates directly with Audio-Technica's ATDM digital smart mixer platform and compatible microphones, forming a complete, networked audio ecosystem over standard Cat5e or better cabling. Multiple speaker pairs can be deployed with independent signal routing for zone-based audio control. Onboard DSP, including EQ, delay, and presets, is easily configured via mixer interface or Dante software.
A drone show over Los Angeles promoting the upcoming Masters of the Universe film has set a new Guinness World Record for the brightest aerial image formed by drones. According to Guinness World Records, the display achieved an illuminance of 222,448.61 lux at the measurement point, far surpassing the 10,000 lux threshold required for the title. The 10-minute show recreated iconic characters from the 1980s animated series, including He-Man, Skeletor, and Battle Cat. One of the highlights featured electricity radiating from He-Man's sword as his famous "I have the power" catchphrase appeared across the night sky. Meanwhile, Sky Elements drones earned another Guinness World Record for the largest aerial display of a fictional character formed by multi-rotors and drones. The US-based drone light show company secured its 17th world record with a 4,979 drone depiction of Vecna, the villain from Netflix's Stranger Things, staged over Las Vegas in December. Because each drone offered only around 10 minutes of battery life, with nearly 30% consumed by takeoff and landing, The choreography had to be carefully optimized to reduce unnecessary movement and maximize storytelling time. The project, created in collaboration with creative agency Acronym and Netflix, celebrated the premiere of the 5th and final season of Stranger Things.
Dear friends and colleagues, if you'd like your news to be featured in briefly, please reach out to us in the comments. Let's create news together.